Avalon 3 temperature self-cleaning stainless steel bottom loading water cooler with child safety lock is made with an innovative stainless steel body. It offers a choice of 3 water temperatures. The easy-to-use push-button spouts make it so much more convenient to use. Simply press the temperature button of choice and allow the water to flow from the given spout. The machine's highly efficient compressor makes the cold water crisp and ice-cold at approximately 47 degrees Fahrenheit without the need of adding ice cubes to your drink. The hot faucet is hot enough to cook one's tea or coffee or any other steaming hot beverage at approximately 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Due to the extremely hot water, we've added a child safety lock on the hot water faucet. We have incorporated a nightlight that can be switched on from the back of the unit. This will make filling up your cup at night so much more simple and easy. The dispensing area is 12 by 3 by 10 inches with 9 inches of space below the spouts. This will accommodate most large cups or bottles. There is a removable drip tray at the bottom of the dispensing area to catch any drips or spills. This water cooler is bottom loading with a cabinet to hold 3 or 5 gallon bottles. The water is pumped from the bottle through the machine. We have incorporated a self-clean ozone function which will automatically clean the machine's water tank with the injection of ozone by the press of a switch. There is also an empty bottle indicator that will light up when the bottle needs to be replaced. The water cooler is all listed and complies with all standards of Energy Star. The unit dimensions are 41 by 12 by 13 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 temperatures. 3 temperature settings allow you to customize your drinking experience. This dispenser features a crisp cold, cool, or piping hot output. Number 2. Self-cleaning feature. The self-cleaning ozone feature sanitizes and purifies the dispenser, which prevents the accumulation of harmful germs and bacteria for your safety. BPA-free. Number 3. Light the way. Our built-in nightlight makes the water spouts clearly visible at night and has an empty bottle indicator that lights up when the bottle needs to be replaced. Number 4. Bottom loading. Our water cooler is bottom loading to eliminate the strain of lifting, reduce spills, and is suitable for 3 to 5 gallon water bottles, bottle not included. Number 5. Child safe. This product is Energy Star approved and features a child safety lock on the hot water spout so the entire family can use it worry-free. Cord length, 6 feet. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.